In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the directory of Jupyter Notebook. So this is actually quite simple. The first thing you have to do is open up Jupyter Notebook in your web browser. Now, once you've done this, you want to hover over the file option and click it over here at top left, and then you want to hover over New, and then the second option is Notebook. Click on Notebook. Now, this will open up a new notebook for you, okay? Over here, it will say select kernel. Now you simply want to leave it as it is. You can leave Python. It doesn't matter for this instance, and press select. In here, in the first line, you want to paste the following thing, okay? So you want to paste in import OS, or simply type it, and then os.chdir, which is change directory, of course. And then in the brackets, you want to put in your actual path to desired directory, okay? So it's as simple as that. Just type that in, and then instead of these things in here, you want to simply replace the path directory that you have. So you can leave this apostrophes, there we go, and then simply type in, let's say, path, whatever it is, okay? Now, once you've typed in the path, what you have to do is press and hold down Shift and then press Enter to run the cell. Now, once you press Shift and Enter, if you have, of course, entered in the correct path, as you can see right now, I haven't because I don't have another path. It says no such file or directory, path/path. Of course, for you, it's gonna work, and it will change the directory to desired location. Now, you can then access files in the new directory by specifying the path relative to the new directory. So, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.